Hey guys, just got in these Pypes Turbo Pro prototypes. We've been working on these mufflers for about 12 years, and the whole idea of this muffler is to give you a muffler that flows really good but is very quiet. Quietest muffler we've ever made. Really excited about trying them out. I'm going to try them out on my 67 GTO. In fact, I'm going to try them out right now. What I have in here now is the Turbo Pro. That's our newest muffler. These are the prototypes that we think we're going to approve. So we needed a muffler that was quiet at all RPM ranges. And we chose this muffler design to solve that problem. And I know this car is a little bit of an aggressive car. It's a stroke motor, but this is incredible how much quieter this muffler is than all of our other mufflers, and yet I still feel the same level of performance